Hello, in this video, we will solve one more example related with differentiation. The given question is, you have to differentiate x square e to the power x sine x. So what we do, we consider this x square e to the power x as a first term and sine x we consider it as a second term. So we know that in product rule what we do, we leave the first term. So you leave x square e to the power x. You have to differentiate what? Sine x. So you can write d by dx of sine x. Now we leave this second term. So we will leave now sine x. Sine x को हम लोग छोड़ देंगे. We will leave sine x now. We will differentiate this first term. So you can write d by dx of x square e to the power x. Now what we do, see it will remain the same. So you can write x square e to the power x. We know that differentiation of sine x is what? Cos x. So you can write cos x. Now plus, we have to leave this sine x, it will remain as is. So you can write it sine x. Now you can see that it's still in two function. यहाँ पे भी दो function है, तो हम यहाँ पे भी product rule लगाएंगे. We will consider x square as a first term and we will consider e to the power x as a second term. Once you apply product rule in this one, you can write, we will leave first term x square, we will differentiate second term. So second term is e to the power x. So you can write d by dx of e to the power x. Put addition sign, add sign. Then now we will leave e to the power x. We have to differentiate now first term, which is x square. So you can write now d by dx of x square. Close the bracket. So now you get x square e to the power x cos x plus sin x x square will remain the same. We know that differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. So just write it e to the power x. Put plus sign. E to the power x will remain the same. So write it down e to the power x. We know that differentiation of x square is what? 2x. So you can write 2x. So we have differentiated each and every term, each and every function. So you can rearrange it. So you can write x square e to the power x cos x plus, you can see that x and e to the power x is common, or you can multiply it. You will get x square e to the power x sin x. I have just expanded it. And it will be 2x e to the power x sin x. X is common in every term, e to the power x is common in every term. So you can take it as a common x e to the power x as a common. So in this term, x cos x will remain. So you can write x cos x. In second term, you have taken x out, so one x will remain. E to the power x already you have taken out, so sin x, it will remain. So you can write sin x. And in third term, you have taken x out, so we can write 2 sin x. So it will be your final result. Thank you so much.